Hi YouTube. This is going to be an intro video for this new truck project that I'm doing. I literally just picked this truck up today, so I wanted to get some info out on it before I do anything to it. This is a 1986 M1008. It's got 64,000 miles. It's in pretty good shape for this area. It's got some issues here and there. It was said to have, it was parked for 15 years under a carport. It's said to have had a rod-nock in the motor. So I'm going to see, I have some suspicions of what the cause of that could be. I'm going to see if I can get this truck straightened out. I'm going to clean it up and put it back to the correct color green and go over some stuff on it. But I wanted to do this intro video here showing what it is and what it looks like before I do anything to it. So this is just the standstill so I can get a good thumbnail on the video, because I only do these with my phone, so YouTube picks the worst possible part of the video to make the thumbnail picture. So I want to at least start the series of videos on this with a good solid thumbnail. So the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to walk around this truck, describe what I'm seeing, what I plan on doing to it, and see how it turns out. So we'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching.